The idea that this new material is engaging with the local waste to create a different type of concrete, which is non-carbon emission, it's an incredible way to start engaging with local economies and local possibilities with specific problems and contexts in the world. We built a library in Culiacan and we propose our buildings in concrete. Concrete is holding the temperature inside the building, that we're not wasting energy to cool the building to sustain the possibility of its inhabitants. We were commissioned to do the research center of the Sea of Cortez in Mazatlan. Our choice, concrete. Why? Because it's a building that needs to hold different ecosystems. The lesson of today is understanding that there is a capacity of putting together different minds that pursue different agendas. The agenda of an industry like Holcim or the agenda of the architect can at some point meet to produce better results.